Good morning, sixth graders. We are going to look at our metric sort for today. So we are going to start reviewing some of the things that we've been learning about for the past week and a half, 2 weeks. All right, on this page here, you'll see on the left side in this little tool, in this table here, on the left side in the left column has all of the measurements that we learned about. So we learned about length, mass, volume, time, and temperature. And then on the right side, it has, in these columns, you are going to look at what is the definition of them, the unit, the tool that we used, and then a picture to match that tool. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to get started and I'm going to put a couple of these on here for you so that you have an idea. So we know that we defined length as the distance between 2 points. So I'm going to look over on the right side of my t-shirt, on the right side of my page, and I'm going to look for that definition. So I see here the distance between 2 points. So I'm going to click it and I'm going to drag it and I'm going to put it right there in the definition column of the length row. Then we talked about the unit that we use, the base unit that we use to measure length is the meter. So we're going to grab meter and we're going to bring meter up. And then you can look for the tool that we use as the name of the tool and then the picture of the tool, and you're going to continue to fill that in. So we talked about a meter stick for the tool name, and then there's a little ruler that we could add as a picture. You're going to continue to do this for mass, volume, time, and temperature, so all the things that we learned about. And then when you're done, you can go to the second page, and you'll see here that there is a blue box that you can use to check your answers. So if you take this blue box and you drag it into the row, you'll be able to check your answers. So the distance between 2 points, the meter, and the meter stick. And you'll be able to do that with each of the ones that we have learned about this week. If you have any questions, as always, you can head to Schoology, send a message to your teacher, and we'll get back to you as quickly as we can. All right, have a great day. Bye.